press it down. So think about this next section of our practice like a moving meditation. See if you can keep your focus on the breath and the quality of your movement, the feeling of the sensations in your heart, your emotional body, and in your physical body. And again, we're not saying that we're not going to step up and help and be of service. In fact, that's our ultimate goal. And today's to reconnect to my center first. And it's a dance, of course. And then exhale, press the palms down. Inhale, reach for the sky. And exhale. It's not one or the other. There's no ultimatum. Bat the eyelashes open. And let's take a big stretch. Fingertips reach all the way up towards the sky, nice and slow.